Crystal here from Space to Love, and I'm in New York, and I'm helping my cousin Cinzia get organized. So I'm super excited to help you. And well, it's great when family hires you, which is amazing. And so we went through her house and we decided that her office was the major priority, right? This is your problem area, and this is where she wants to get started, and then we're going to work on other areas later. But here we are. Yeah. So I thought Cinzia can kind of just tell us a little bit about her office, what she does in here, or what she doesn't do in here, what she wants to do in here, and just basically what's going on and what's your frustration.
Okay. Well, thanks for doing this with me. It's nice when it's a family member that can help you get organized. So I have to say that my office has become a room where I just kind of put everything in and eventually say I will get to that. So now it is my workout equipment, it is my files that need to be filed, it's music equipment, it's old business that didn't work out and I moved in another direction, and it even has stuff for my children in it. So it's a lot of stuff, and it's just become one of those, like, I'll get to it eventually, and then I just don't enter the room. Stay away from it.
That's interesting, because actually a lot of my clients say that. They're, oh, I want to come in, I want to get organized, I want to find something, and then it's just so overwhelming. I'm out the door. I don't even want to deal with it. I can't even deal with it. It's just too much. Yeah. So all right. So we're gonna help you, right? We're gonna really start setting up systems to help you, get organized and stay organized. And then we're gonna kind of keep talking the whole time. You're really gonna tell me what you're doing in here, what you want to do, and then also just extracting all the things that don't make sense anymore. That old business that you're not doing anymore. We'll see how we can let go of those things. And then maybe the workout equipment stays in here, or maybe it doesn't. We find it a new home. But basically, we're going to do, I think, a lot of decluttering, shredding, and just letting go of stuff that just no longer serves you.
Great.
Okay. Well, I guess it's enough talking. I guess we need to get started.
Sounds great.
Ready?
Sounds really good.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's dig in.
Okay. Hi. Okay. We are back, and I'm thinking we worked about 10 hours. A lot of people ask, like, how long did it take? Oh, we have our little helper here. Okay. How long did it take? And yeah, and what we got done. So I think we did go through piles and piles and piles of paperwork. We found memorabilia. We found things.
We found a lot of things.
I think my favorite was finding the notebook when you had your kids, like, how much milk they 4 ounces today.
I had their daily schedules broken out, down to when they when they went to the bathroom. So
right.
it was
like this
definitely like memory lane, and definitely overwhelming for the brain sometimes, because it's like, wow, how much time has gone by that I haven't sat down and looked at this stuff.
Her youngest is 13.
Almost 13.
Almost
He's
13.
12.
So we're thinking about the things that we found were almost 13 years old, if not older. Like, we have her memorabilia pile back here. We're going to get a plastic bin. We're going to put that stuff in, label it memorabilia, put it up in the in your attic.
Yeah.
Right. Well, and that's how I feel about memorabilia. You're probably not going to go through that, but some things you just don't want to let go of, and that's fine. We're not here to tell you to get rid of everything, which we didn't. We're just here to just get rid of the things that don't apply anymore. Right?
Right.
And we're excited too, because we're actually getting rid of this filing cabinet. We have enough space now to use this filing cabinet and then these two here only for the stuff that she has left and that she needs. Going to do a lot of going paperless, doing a lot of things online, really trying to reduce your income of mail that comes in. So because everyone's like, I don't know what to do with the mail, and it's like, usually, well, if the mail's not coming in and everything is kind of coming into your inbox on your computer, then you don't have to worry about sorting through that.
Right, and we actually even help the environment, right? By going paperless. So
yes,
it's a win-win on both sides.
It is.
And
so what do you think? Yeah.
I want to say that I'm really glad that you came here and did this with me. I would have never gotten through this by myself. There was definitely some emotional moments going through papers and stuff like that. So, but it was definitely well worth it. I'm so glad we did it, because now I can walk into this room and not be afraid of it. Actually sit down at my computer and be productive, as opposed to, where's that paper that I was looking for, and this is stuffed in there. And so this is definitely wonderful. I can't even say. And again, I'm not afraid to come into this room.
Right,
which
yeah.
Is, which is good.
Because I think that was one of the things you mentioned in the beginning. You're like, I'm just like, I come in, I'm overwhelmed, and I walk right back out, right? And I think a lot of people feel that way. And now you can see your desk, everything's open, it's all cleaned off, and you know where everything is.
Yes. Great.
Yay.
Thank you so much. I love you.
You will.
And I get an additional benefit because she is family. So whenever I have a question about something, I get my little freebies in.
Well, everybody can call me with questions, just so you know. But yes, only for you. Just kidding.
It's always about me.
It is. So. It is. Okay. Well, all right. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please, comment below or like or whatever. And we're always here to help. Thank you. Bye.